All right, let's talk straight about the Minceetbien Silicone Reline Denture set. At first glance, it sounds kind of great. It's advertised as this high-end medical-grade silicone solution you can use at home. Supposed to be soft, comfy, flexible, and give you a natural-looking smile without stepping foot in a dentist's office. Sounds ideal, right? But here's where it gets sketchy. Even though the product claims to have a unique design, there are almost identical versions floating around under different names. Same photos, same descriptions, just a different label slapped on. That usually isn't a good sign. It makes you wonder who actually manufactures these and whether they're just cheap, mass-produced knockoffs recycled across different websites. If a company can't even maintain its own branding, that's usually a huge red flag. And then you check the reviews, especially on places like Trustpilot, and it's mostly bad news. The majority of people say they got cheap plastic pieces instead of full denture sets. Some said it felt more like they were opening a Halloween costume prop. Others mentioned the material was flimsy, uncomfortable, and nowhere near what was advertised. A few people even said the product looked used or repackaged, which is honestly alarming for something going in your mouth. The pricing is another mess. People thought they were paying $39.99 only to get hit with $57 or $59 charges. There's no clear heads up about that, so customers feel tricked. And trying to reach customer support? Good luck. Many said they never heard back after sending emails. And when someone did manage to get a refund, it was only partial, even though the company claims to offer a money-back guarantee. Some reported that support kept delaying responses or asking for unnecessary photos just to stall the refund process. All of this led to some pretty strong accusations. Several buyers flat out called it a scam and even reported the company to the BBB or other authorities. A few people said they wished they had researched before buying because the warning signs were everywhere. Some even warned others to avoid the product at all costs. When you see multiple people telling the same story, it's hard to ignore the pattern. Bottom line, it might sound like a convenient, budget-friendly fix, but there are way too many red flags here to ignore. If you need dentures, your best bet is to go through a reliable, professional source, not a product that looks different in every ad and delivers almost nothing it promises. It's your smile. You don't want to gamble with it, and you definitely don't want to take risks with low-quality dental products sold by shady online stores. Always choose something safe, trustworthy, and medically approved. Happy staying safe.